Hello everybody, so I quickly want to just display to you what a vector looks like when it's displayed in the viewport. And there's a number of ways to do this, but the simplest and first one that I want to show you is just by, let's create a geo node, create a couple of points. So I'll do that using an add node. Alright, let's create 2 points. And we'll have the first one at the origin, and the next one, let's make it 1 in X. All right, cool. Now the way to display a vector is simply the position that it goes from another position. And in this case, the position attribute is always coming directly from the origin. So it's moved 1 meter in X from this origin position, this 0, 0 position. Okay, so let's display the vector, and all I need to do is to add a line here. So I'm using the add node, go to polygons by group, and there we go. Let's move this around a little bit. So maybe I'll make this a little bit higher in Y, I'll make it a little bit in Z, I'll move it. And so the vector works like this. This is the tail of the vector. This is the head of the vector. And that's all there is to it, to display a basic vector. In the next lesson, I want to look at how to calculate the magnitude of this vector.